Linden, Guyana, big up Linden. Jano. You know when them African show they start. Reaction. What's up YouTube, it's about Tyrekevlogs aka The Reaction. And we're back in another video for you guys. Right now we're representing for Guyana. We have a song called Plug Out Head Socket Now Good Again by Davy Marley and Azariel. As far as his name, I used to call this man Azariel. Man, no, it's Azariel. Listen to me and say. Anyways, yo, right now them two artists, these two artists right now, they are doing good. Right now they're blowing up the waves in Guyana, dog. Listen to me and say. Azariel song like Tint, one of the most viewed music videos from Guyana. It is the most fucking viewed. Hold on. You see me, I said Davy Marley have song like More Life, and I whip a bad feature, man like Mafia. People, yo, them two artists are really going that bag of things for Guyana. They're really doing a lot. You see me, I say for the music industry. I'm just there to bring them for tune again. You see me, I say so. Just one need for though. Drop some fire emojis in the comment section. Like the video so this video get recommended to more people. And also go check out the official music video, which gonna be the link down below in the description. Also in the comment section pinned. Support the man them dog. I say support me. You see me, I say go and support your country. So anyway, you forward from I Love the Caribbean. Leave a like, fire emojis, do the right thing. Because see what I go right now. Triple like button. I want 200 likes on the video right now. 200 likes straight. Ready? Run tune. Linden, Guyana, big up Linden. Jano. You know when them African show they start. Davy Marley feature Azariel. Plug out. You see I'm happy now with us. I'm too happy, I'm too excited, like we're not happy expect. What's the teaser now? I think this is the only teaser we'll see on Instagram. When you post on Instagram. So what's the teaser already? Go on. Go on. Lawless. Don't know.
You can go on.
Man look like Snoop Doggy, man. Yeah.
We can go over see. We can go over.
Thing go back. So I'll go on now. One of the bag. Take it run that. Hey, see the man to the baseball bad people. A dangerous thing right now, no. Let's say we go up to Wavy again, let's say we go up to Lawless again too. Go on. Them not bad.
Where's them?
Look at the man I make it, I know what I'm run back with dog say make it know saying better than anything we ever heard. Caution. All the dog say no is murder. Caution. The dog say better than anything I ever hear about. Caution. Go on.
Murder. Show say me better than anything you ever heard of. Fully disconnect like when we crash from the server.
What?
Blood I go pay the place and a virgin.
What? Hold on. The thing that Louis said I mean nothing. Listen to what I go on in the dark. Listen man, listen them punchline. Crash like a server, you know when the internet, you dip on your browse, boom, your porn site crash. You listen.
Blood I go pay the place and a virgin.
I know the painting come. Go on.
Me don't go me, so know me head mad. Some come out to them bad, but them only smell bad. As a Christian, let me forget God.
What?
Me trigger finger never lock.
go on right now. The man say my Christian, don't make him forget God. Don't do it. Go, listen.
Some cowards say them bad, but them only smell bad.
Some cowards say them bad, but them only smell bad. Lift up. Go on.
As a Christian, don't make me forget God.
Not at all.
You get too much feelings. Yes, the bullets personally. Kids on my sweet son and scream emotionally. Like my days are gonna keep close to me. Said child, no, you gonna see. Pull your butt shots like grocery. Ready to put in at the earth we're supposed to be.
Pull up our shots like groceries. Let's put it. Go on.
But vex with me. Long as no take talk. We better see the
Plug out.
real my dog, them not take no talk.
Plug out. Plug out.
Lawless forever, we no care what the weather when we
Plug out. Plug out.
Fully with the gate, don't make that fella spread.
Plug out. Plug out.
You see, man never talk about the dog.
Yeah.
I must say, book you and make you about the dog.
Yeah.
I know your mother where you come from when I go out. But the care what you and the people last. Well, if I want you,
Pause intermission time right now. Say if you're watching this video right now and you don't like the video, remember now, we're gonna try to get that one here, this specific one, to the whole world, to the entire world. So right now we want to like the video. If you never like the video yet, like the video now. Drop some fire emotion in the comment section. The more interaction on the video, the more YouTube recommend the video. So interact with me. Help me share the video to the world. So like the video. And if you fuck with the song so far and the video so far, click the link down below and go get a pure for yourself. Right now, it's a matter of fact, that is a if. Right now, more to click the link and go watch the video for yourself. After you do the reaction, watch your reaction. After you finish your reaction, go watch the song for yourself. Go watch the video for yourself again. That's how it's supporting go. Go on.
now welcome to this like the top. Chop, chop, the things they are taking back. Ball them up all one chair, there's a lot. Either with the pattern, the pattern, the ball. Me not too smell, me always look neat.
Me not too smile.
Too much caffeine.
Yeah.
Boy, God, then we don't know the routine.
Yeah.
Make the place ugly, very obscene.
Yeah.
Empty a clip and get the other clip jealous. We make you dog them shit up like sinners. Just become badness, watch them antennas. We born bars, so nothing them can kill us.
Plug out. Plug out.
Real man dog, them not take no dog.
Plug out. Plug out.
Lawless forever, we don't care what the weather.
Plug out. Plug out.
Fully with the gate, don't make that fella spread.
Plug out. Plug out. Man.
I get the thing back, bro. I get the things back.
Damn, I wasn't paying attention to the video, so I was going, did they rob him? Did they take the stash away from him? Cause remember, he was the one who was riding the bike and shit. I wasn't paying attention. I was just vibing to the song for real. God damn, what happened?
I get back all your things, bro. I get back everything, man. I get back everything.
John, never did I pray a while ago on that, but guess what? The mad thing done. You hear me telling you again, give the song a pray for yourself. You see me, I say, go comment be a emoji over there, somebody knows the reaction, but I'm selling it over there. You don't know the chap going. Right now we are signing out. Like up the video again, 200 likes, so I go for 2 bills.